Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Metacade token. Ticker symbol is Mcade. This token is being listed soon on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Metacade token, it was just announced 5 hours ago on Mexc Global's Twitter. It says, Mexc is thrilled to announce that the Mcade token will be listed soon. Metacade is the ultimate Web3 community hub where gamers and blockchain fanatics can communicate and collaborate. Stay tuned for more upcoming events. So they may have like a Kickstarter event or some sort of airdrop event. But yes, you can get involved. You can get this token on Mexc Global shortly. So if you follow their Twitter at Mexc_global, you will see exactly when the listing date pops up and you'll be able to get this token. Now, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search MCADE, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So on Metacade's Twitter, you will find a full link tree of all the links that you'll need. You can find the link tree if you go over to Metacade's Twitter at Metacade_. They're verified on Twitter with the blue check mark. 2,311 tweets. I'll just put it up here so you guys will be able to find their Twitter easily. 55,200 Twitter followers. And they just joined in September 2022, so that's a lot of followers in a short time. It says, first ever community arcade on Web3, an exclusive platform built by gamers for gamers. So it says their pinned tweet here. They're talking about you can now find Metacade also listed on CoinGecko. So they just got that listing there. So most likely CoinMarketCap will also be coming soon. And then their Mexc Global listing will be coming soon as well. Now if you click on their link tree, you will find their official webpage. They also have a $125,000 giveaway here. They also have an arcade machine giveaway, a Metacade video explainer, Telegram, Discord, Twitter, full white paper, YouTube, and Reddit. So Metacade is the ultimate Web3 community hub where gamers and crypto fanatics can communicate and collaborate. Our vision is to create a dynamic virtual hangout for like-minded people to enjoy all things GameFi and experience everything that Web3 culture has to offer. You'll be able to play your favorite games with established play-to-earn projects and increase your chances of winning big prizes, but Metacade is much more than just a place to buy. In the Metacade platform, you'll be able to meet fellow gamers, developers, and entrepreneurs who want to share their interests, ideas, skills, and talents with one common goal. You'll be able to see what gamers are trending, view leaderboards, publish reviews, gain access to the most advanced GameFi alpha, and interact with other members in the real time, all whilst being rewarded with the native Mcade token for your own input into the community. We want to put gamers back into the hands of we want to put games back into the hands of gamers, and that is why the Mcade token holders will be able to vote on which developer-submitted games will receive funding via our Metagrant scheme. Web3 technology is revolutionizing how the world functions, and Metacade will revolutionize how a traditional community gaming hub is operated and owned. Join us on our journey. So it says the Metacade token is built on the most popular Ethereum blockchain. It is an ERC20 token, and it says you can purchase this token at a low cost on a secured blockchain. So the Web3 gaming hub where skills pay the bills. So they have Metacash. The goal of Metacade is to become a self-sustaining revenue-generating community. A treasury reserve will also be built to develop new features for the community and enhance the future of blockchain gaming. We anticipate the following strategies to be revenue streams for the token and the community. So they have advertising revenue, tournaments, events, prize draws, job listings, pay-to-play arcade, game testing and access to community, and Launchpad. So the meta map, aka the roadmap, says the Metacade team is building a fully transparent roadmap to deliver the best experience for the community and value for token holders. This roadmap will develop over time as we look to build the best environment for the Metacade ecosystem. So they're starting with pre-sale of the Metacade token, then release website, white paper, tokenomics, build the founding team, and then full security audit. Establish initial community on Discord and other social media platforms. Influencer marketing drive. Launch gaming community giveaways and competitions. Then we have the token launch and listing on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. So that's kind of where we're at right now. Then after that will be Uniswap and Central Exchange listings, aiming to get 3 to 5 of the top 10 central exchanges. Initial development of Metacade underway. And then after that, the Metacade launch. Create partnerships with established play-to-earn projects. Gain further central exchange listings. Additional gaming community giveaways and competitions. Launch our universal online hangout for all things GameFi and play-to-earn transparent and community-driven reviews and data. Then the basic DAO model to develop the community. Classic arcade launch. Develop a community-driven testing environment for gaming projects. Grow list of external games for our arcade. Create our own Metacade gaming tournaments with prizes, community votes, choices each month, or the prize choices each month. You can buy tickets for prizes. And then it says using the token supply burnt, they will do that. Deliver the first meta grant won by our very first big competition. And then meta grants, launch the game development with first meta grant, post listings for interns, gigs, jobs within the gaming community, create regular competitions, further grow the game platform, and then launch community-driven gaming environment. And yeah, and then it just continues so on and so on and so forth. There's a very long roadmap on here. It goes over tokenomics on here. You could stake the token. There's all sorts of things on here. Play, earn, build, connect. 70% of the tokens go to pre-sale. 12.5% marketing and central exchange listings. 10% development. 5% DEX liquidity provision, and 2.5% competition pool. And that's basically about it. Now, there's a burn and buyback mechanism, which makes it deflationary. And yeah, I'm sure they'll have an audit in the future. Their team is doxed on their white paper here. You can see 6 members, faces, everything like that. Partners are on here. Media articles, all sorts of cool stuff. So check this token out. It'll be listed soon on Mexc Global. Check out that Mexc Global referral code down there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.